Okay, we were discussing about the combinations. Actually, it looks like this. You will write N and little below you will put capital C. You will write R as suffix. This is how you will write.
Oh.
N factorial upon R factorial times N minus R factorial. So this is the formula. You know what is factorial, right? You know how to take factorial?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll tell you a small example for the combination. Assume you have different kind of fruits, maybe mango, apple, pineapple, orange, strawberry, banana. What is your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Mango. That's nice. Okay. Mine is orange. Okay. We'll also include plum. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are totally 7 fruits. So assume we are going to prepare a fruit custard dish. For that you're going to select 4 fruits out of these 7 fruits. Okay?
4 fruits and 4 what?
4 fruits out of 7 fruits.
Oh, okay.
Out of the total number of fruits. Okay?
Yeah.
So they didn't tell us what are the 4 fruits are. Okay? Now they're asking us to find the number of possible combinations. You can choose mango, apple, pineapple, orange, or else you can choose apple, strawberry, pineapple, banana, or else you can combine these 4, or else you can combine these 4. There are so many possibilities, isn't it? You can combine them in so many different ways. In case if they're asking you to find a number of possible combinations, you will use this formula for finding the number of combinations. So you're going to select 4 fruits out of 7 fruits, isn't it? So 7 is nothing but the total number of fruits. So 7 is N in the combinations formula. Okay? And R is nothing but the fruits you are selecting. The condition. You're going to select 4 fruits. That is going to be your R.
Yeah.
Okay. Just substitute here. It's going to be 7 factorial upon 4 factorial times 7 minus 4 factorial. So how will you simplify this?
You can say 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial is 7 times 5, 6 times 5. Yeah.
Maybe I'll write it like 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. So by that way, I'll be able to cancel out this 4 factorial and this 4 factorial. I'll be left with 7 times 6 times 5 upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. This 6 and this 6 will cancel out each other. So it's 7 times of 5, which means I do have 35 possibility. I can select 4 fruits in 35 different combinations. I can create 35 different combinations out of these fruits. Can you follow what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
This is how combination works.
Oh.
Okay, now let's solve the question which I gave it to you. Please note it down this. I'll erase this.
Okay, I got it.
You got it? Okay. So in the previous question, they said there are 64 players in a head-to-head tournament. 12 of these players, what does it mean? It's 12 out of 64. They are playing with each other, which means from 64, 12 players are going to create a separate group. They are going to play as a team, not with these 64 people. So you will subtract it from here. You will have 52. So it's going to be 52 players and 12 friends.
Yeah.
So these 12 friends are going to play with each other.
So we have
What
to
does it
choose
mean?
12 out of the 52.
Okay, let's put it in this way. You can say, you can find it separately. The 52 players can be written as 52C1. 52 is going to be the total number of players, and they are going to play with one single player. Okay.
Okay.
So that is going to be the possible number of combinations for the 52 players. So that would be 52 factorial upon 1 factorial into 51 factorial. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So you will write 52 factorial as 52 times 51 factorial upon 51. 1 factorial is 1 only. You don't have to write that. This 51 and 51 will cancel out each other. You'll be left with 52. So 52 players will play with each other means there are 52 combinations. Similarly, 12 friends are going to play with each other means that is also going to be 12C1. So you'll be getting the answer as 12. So now you will multiply this 52 and 12. That is going to be 13. I mean, not 13, 1 minute. What is 52 into 52 times 12 will give you 624.
Yeah.
624. So this answer will be divided by 64C2. 12C1 times 52C1 divided by 64C2. This is how you will split the scenario. There are 12 of these players are friends.
Really?
They are playing with each other. The remaining players are 52. They are also playing with each other. Out of totally there are 64 players, isn't it? 64 players.
Yeah.
So together it is 2. So you will divide this by 64C2. So let's find what is 64C2 is. 64 upon 2 factorial times 64 minus 2 factorial, which will give you 62 factorial. So it's 64 into 63 into 62 factorial divided by 2 into 62 factorial. This and this will get cancelled. You will be left with, okay, this will be simplified as 32. It's going to be 32 times 63. So let's find out what is 32 times 63. It's 2016. So you will divide what was your numerator? The numerator was 12 into 52, which is 624. So you will divide this by this. So this is the probability of no friends will play with each other.
Oh.
So how will you simplify this? Can you simplify this and tell me?
Okay.
Reduce this.
It would be 39 over 126.
39. Can you simplify this further?
No. Wait, actually, yeah.
With the 3 table.
Yeah. You get 13 over 42.
Okay, you get 13 over 52. So this is the probability of number of friends will play with each other.
Yeah.
What was the question? The question was about what are the odds none of these friends will play against each other in the first round of games.
Yeah.
None of these friends will play against each other, which means you will subtract this. You will subtract this from this.
Why?
Because the question is about not playing. None of these friends will play against each other.
Yeah, that's what we were finding.
Okay.
Oh,
See, this is number of friends will play each other.
yeah.
Now we are going to find none of these will play against each other. Means you will subtract this from this. You will get the answer as 42 minus 13 will give you 29. Which means 13 is to 29.
Yeah, so then the answer would be
So the
29 over
answer,
42.
so this is the final answer, which means 13 people will not play with 29 people.
Oh. Okay.
Why? Because in the question they said the 12 people of these players are friends. They are going to play only with them. They are not going to
Yeah.
mingle with the rest of the 52 players.
Yeah.
So this is how you will find when they say for finding the odds. Here now we are finding the odds. None of these friends will play against each other means you have to perform subtraction.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try to give you a similar question. This is pretty straight. Give a try. These are all the entrance exams questions only. So this is the question. A football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? So I'll give you
Well,
a clue. You don't know
if
what is
10
the
match,
total number of matches. You assume this is X and try to do it.
well, if 10 is the number of matches won, and that is 40%, then
Yeah, that is 40% of total matches.
yeah. So then 4% of the total matches is 1. So one match is 4% of the total matches. So 25 matches is 100% of the total matches.
Absolutely.
So it would be 25.
25. Absolutely.
Huh?
Yes, yes, it is 25. You're right. You just have to
Okay.
write 40% of X is equal to 10. That's it. So it's
Yeah.
40 upon 100 times X is equal to 10. So it's 40X is equal to 1000. So X is equal to 1000 upon 40. So 100 by
So then,
4 will give you 25. So that is how it is. Yes.
yeah.
These are all pretty basics. I'll give you one more combination question. Okay. Please note it down simultaneously. In a small village, there are 87 families, of which 52 families have at most 2 children. In a rural development program, 20 families are to be chosen for assistance,
Yeah.
of which at least 18 families must have at most 2 children. And in how many ways can the choices be made? Can you try this
Okay.
using combinations?
I don't know what else to do.
Okay. See, there are totally 87 families.
And I found
Number
like a
of
total.
families with at most children is 52, right?
Yeah.
What is the remaining families? What are the remaining
Uh,
families?
Oh wait, I know now. We need to choose 18 out of the 52,
52, exactly, exactly.
and then 2 out of the 87.
No, no, no. You won't be able to choose it from 87. You have to choose it from 35, the remaining.
Oh yeah, 2 from 35.
35. 35 is the remaining families. You do subtract this 52 from 87. You will get the answer as 35. Okay.
Yeah.
See,
Okay. So
it's actually goes like this. It is 52 C 18. What does it mean? 18 families must have 2 children, isn't it?
yeah,
So you would be choosing these 18 families from 52.
yeah,
And you will be selecting 2 from the 35.
yeah.
Because
But they
in
said at
total,
least.
they are going to select 20 families, isn't it?
Yeah,
18 family from 52, 2 family from 35. Can you follow?
yeah,
You can also choose 19 from 52 and 1 from 35.
yeah,
By this way also, you can choose 20 families. Yes?
yeah.
And what else it could be? And you can also choose 20 family out of 52 and 0 family, 0 family from 35.
5. Yeah.
So
So
these
then you
are
have to
the
add all
possible
of them.
choices. Yeah, yeah, exactly. You have to add all of this. You can find the answer as the homework. You please note it down. You can expand it afterwards.
Yeah, I'll just screenshot it.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can also send me those Olympiad problems so I can work on them.
Sure. I'll send it to you today. Today I'll be
And
having class for another 3 hours, so I'll send you in after 3 hours.
yeah, okay, that's fine. I also didn't get the recording for last class.
For the last class, I'll send it to you. I
Yeah,
was
okay.
a little busy with the Navaratri puja and all that.
Oh
Send it
yeah,
to you.
yeah.
Tomorrow. I'll
Okay. Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. Do you have any doubt in what we have discussed today?
No.
No. Okay then. Okay. Do you have any other doubts in the question paper, in the 2020 question paper?
Yeah, there is. We still have to discuss the
Oh
other
yeah,
question.
I saw. In the question number 3, you haven't attempt the option C and option D, isn't it?
Yeah, I tried some of them because you get part marks for trying, even if you
Sure.
don't
Yeah,
answer.
yeah,
So,
they'll give.
yeah, so
If this makes sense, definitely they'll give you partners.
yeah.
Quadruples. Okay. Do you know what is quadruples?
Like 4 numbers.
4 numbers, 4 factors.
Okay.
4 times 4. The numbers which can be expressed as 4 numbers can be called as quadruples. All right.
Oh,
We'll
okay.
discuss the C and D in the next class.
Yeah, okay.
I think maybe we can finish only one question is there. We can finish this question in half an hour of time to the maximum. You please send
Yeah,
any other, if you have any other doubts in the
okay.
question paper. I'll also send you this Olympiad. You try to practice those, and we can discuss the doubts also in the next class from the Olympiad.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we'll stop now.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.